Dribble the ball. And umatake, side step. Oh! Turingan all the way. Oh, bagsak. Bagsak si Idol. And here's Taginod. Takes fire. Bucket for 2. Taginod. And here's Layat. Pass inside. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Alina. And Magay. Drive, side step, fading away. Bucket for 2. Received by Gapay. Gapay with the ball. Dribbling stop. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. Bisaya spins. Bisaya to Bisaya. Oh! Ang lalim nun! Grabe! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Abong League 2024 para sa laban ng Gonzaga at Tuguegarao. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. It's between Pagaduan and Gapay and a first ball possession for Team Gonzaga. And here's Tolentino, he stops, fires at 3. Bang! First! Ginod, pass to the corner. Magod Dayaw spins mo, fires. Traveling. And here's Team Gonzaga holding the ball. Bisaya, the crossover, the bounce pass to the corner. Gapay holds the ball and the dribble stops. And you see Layat. Pass inside. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. It's Taginod. Setting the play. Pass on the inside. And one a bounce and a kicks out. And Magay. Drive. Side step. Fading away. Bucket for 2. You know, slowly moving down. Dribbling the ball. Drives. Kicks out. No look pass on the outside. Magay launches on 3. There's a foul. 5-4 score natin. Up by 1 for Team Gonzaga and Dalinan. Tolentino screen by Gapay. Pass on the inside. Pinabitin. Score. Lamang ang Gonzaga ng dalawa. Here's Taginod. Pass on the inside. Natapikan. Gapay with the ball. And pass to Tolentino. Tolentino all the way and kicks out. Hilayat to the middle. Oh, binangga yung pader. And here's Bisaya for 3. Bang! Pass to Taginod to the middle. And almost losses and recovers. Kicks out. Drive, side step, hook. Scoop layup. Won't go. Rebound. He's still Tuguegarao. Fakes clutch. Fires off the window. And a nice. And here's Tolentino. Holds the ball. Stops. Spins. Looking for the receiver. Received by Gapay. Gapay with the ball. Dribbling stop. Launches on 3. Bang! 3. Gapay with the ball. Tolentino was on the inside. Fires off the glass. Hilayat for 2. Setting the play between the legs. Taginod stops. Pass on the inside again. Oh, Magod Dayaw for the finish. Tolentino. And he's throwing around ng dalawa. Taginod all the way to the hoop. CC Bucket for and here's for 3. Bang! Taga. Tolentino. Pass to Bisaya. Nilipat pa sa kabilang mo. Grabe ka. And here's Taginod. Fires at 3. Bang! Here's Taginod. That's par 3. Wala. And a pass break. And here's Bisaya all the way to the pinabitin pa, wala. And the rebound by Manigdag. Pass to Tagakay, corner pass. Naagaw ni Bisaya. And pass back. And pass inside into the middle. Bounce pass, ang gandang pasa and the finish. Taginod setting the play. Taginod stops to the corner. Tagakay, Taginod, pass to the corner. And a drive side step. Bumangga off the window. Oy, napito. Turingan, setting the play. Sumisigaw. Turingan stops. Corner pass. Pass to the middle. And Turingan. And a drive. Magay kicks out. Turingan wide open for 3. Bang! Stanyeda. No look pass on the inside. Alley-oop pass and the finish. That's what's Turingan. Turingan, pass to the middle, Kawilan for 3, bang! Kawilan! And tie game tayo mga idol, Turingan with the ball. Turingan, no look pass on the corner, Narag, pass to the middle, Malto lays, Malto! Turingan, kicks to the corner, and fires of 3, Kawilan, bang! Kawilan! And here's Bisaya, pass back, Bisaya, Gapay for 3, bang! And here's Bisaya, Bisaya, hook pass. And here's number 70, Ayat, kicks out, corner 3, off the mark, Bisaya spins, Bisaya to Bisaya, oh! Ang lalim nun! Grab! Tunsyon, Tuturingan, pass to number 6, corner pass, wild open for 3, Turingan, bang! And here's Bisaya, Bisaya, oh, naupuan yung bola. Oops, napunta sa gitna. Spence, Alinan, bounce pass. Estel, Alinan. Oh, Alo, pass to Ilayat. The perfect pass. And here's Turingan. Pass on the inside. Hope. There, wala. And here's again. And Kawilan fix. Kawilan. Bumangga, tumira, pinilit. May foul plus the bucket. Baseball pass. And pass break. Push pupal pa lang inabot. And Bisaya, oh, the crossover. Oops, nakalusot. Oh, naagawan. And Kawilan. Pass to Tagakay. And pass to the middle. Magdaya. And here's pass on the inside. Tolentino wala. Naagaw ngayon dito ni Maggay. Pass break. Oh, all the way to the hoops of the window. 33-30 score. Tagakay stops to the corner. Wild open for 3. Bang! Balls out. For the inbound. Backdoor inbound. Kapay. Pass it to Tolentino. Picks. Fades away. Bucket for 2. Tolentino. Lock. And a pass break. Naagaw ngayon. Cordero. Pass to Tolentino. Crossover. Tolentino. Behind the back pass. Here's Tagakay. Pass to the corner. Pass back Tagakay. And there's Maggay. Corner pass. Fires at 3. Bang! And here's Tolentino. Pass on the middle. Ilayat. Pass it to Tolentino. Lays. Tolentino. Bucket for 2. And Tugigaraw up by 5. Tagakay. The hook pass. Naagaw dito. Bisaya. And all the way. Easy bucket. Tagakay crosses the mid lane. Pass to the corner. And holds the ball. One bounce to Tagakay to the middle. Pass, alley-oop pass, and the finish by Mal. And back to 5 leads for 3 off the mark. Whip na agawan ng Kendi. Cordero. Pass to Bisaya. Cross pass. Pass on the corner. Pull up J. Ilayat. Bucket. Oop. Sinakyan pa. Pass to the middle. Tagakay. Maggay. Cross pass. Pass on the inside. In the middle, Balisiles, too strong. Rebound. Cordero, Crumos over. Pass to the corner. Oh, Bisaya, side step. Pass, foul. Here, Malto. Malto to Maggay. 16 seconds on the game clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass on the corner inside. Falls off the window. Bucket for 2. And here's Tolentino. Long three. Oof. That's the end. And here's Taginod. Pass on this. Alley-oop pass. Oops. And now Kapay. Pass break. Ilayat lays. Ilayat. Good for 2. Taginod. Pass on the inside. Spins. Oh. Pagudaya. Wala. Spins. Oh, Ilayat all the way. And here's Taginod. Ninipit. Kicks out. Fires at 3. Malto. Bang! And here's Taginod. Taginod drives. Pass on the inside. The deliver and the finish. Tolentino. Drives. Natapikan. Save the ball. Pinalusot sa ilalim. And a baseball pass. And here's Taginod. Takes fire. Bucket for 2. And here's number 21, Tolentino to Ilayat. Ilayat, Tolentino. Tolentino, natapikan. Pass break. Here's Taginod. Pass to Maggay. Reverse layup. Ilayat, the cross pass to Bisaya. Pass, alley-oop pass, and the finish! To Corny. Magay, zumigzag, Magay, all, pinasa kay Taginod, off the window, Taginod. And pass to Gapay, Gapay with the ball, to Ilayat, sidestep, kicks out, fires at 3, too strong, and rebound Taginod, pass to Magay, picks, fires, foul, and the basket, and 1. 48-60 to score. And Bisaya, pass to Cordero, pass to Bisaya, pass on the inside na tapikan. Magay. Here's Taginod. Taginod stops. Pass to Magay for 3. Bang! Magay! Bisaya. The crossover na tapikan na naman. Taginod. Taginod all the way. Easy bucket. Dribbling the ball. Taginod. Taginod bounce pass to the middle. Pagadduan by CC Bucket Pagadduan. And Bisaya to Bisaya spins. Nakalusot foul. And 1. Bucket and 1. And cross pass Pagadduan. Taginod. Long pass inside. Oops. And here's Bisaya. Bisaya all the way to the hoops. Oh, top. Bisaya. Taginod. Pass to the middle. Kicks out. Taginod. Taginod ask for the pick. Taginod. Pass to the middle. Taginod. Pull up J. Taginod. Down. Gonzaga. And straight to the hoops. Bisaya again. Won't go. Rebound po. Pagduan. And a face. Narag. Puto. Ang gandang pasa kay Purigay. Layat. Ilayat to Bisaya. To Ilayat. Ilayat. Gapay to Ilayat. Spins. Fires off the glass. Ilayat. Asuncion. Pass to number 25. To Turingan. 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 Cross pass to the corner na agaw. And here's Bisaya. Bisaya to Cayetano. Spins. Cayetano. And Cayetano to the corner. Bisaya. My foul. Basket and 1. Here's Turingan. Turingan. Pass Taginod. No look pass. Ang gandang deliver and the finish. Malto. Pass break. Gapay. Gapay. Fires off the window for 2. And here's Taginod. Naagawan dito. And the pass break. Here's Ilayat. Binit-bit. All the way Ilayat. Here's Taginod. No look pass. Pass to Maluto. Up to the middle. Lace. Bucket for 2. And here's Taginod. Pass back. Taginod. Taginod. And pass to. Mag-pass to Taginod. Bang! Taginod. Ilayat. Ilayat. Pull up J. Ilayat. Pagodan. Pass to Magay to Taginod. Taginod drives, spins, pass to the middle. Oops, natapikan, naagaw. Oops, na-recover, Magay. Magay for 2. And here's Bisaya. Bisaya, oh, pinabitin pa, bakit for 2. And Tolentino. Pass to Gapay. Side step, Gapay, oh, traveling. Tagakay. Behind the back dribble. Taginod. Taginod. Pass to Tagakay. Pass inside. And Taginod picks. Taginod steps back. Tagakay. Taginod open for 3. Off the mark. And a pass break. Nauna na si Ilayat. Easy bucket. Natapikan. Tagakay. Magay. Magay. Posting up. Spins. Fires. Magay. And Bisaya to Ilayat. Tolentino. 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 Sumiyayaw. Tumasaksak-sakto yung basa. Reverse love. Basket and 1. Bisaya. Bisaya off. Corner. Gapay for 3. Bang! Gapay. And is... Oops. And it's a track off the glass. Bucket for 2. Bisaya. Bisaya. Pass to Gapay. Gapay. Oops, naagawan. Tagakay, pass to Leza. Oh, lumipad. Bucket for 2. And here's Bisaya. Bisaya spins. Tagakay setting the play. Step, fires at 3. Bang! And here's Tolentino to Gapay. Pass on the inside, fix. Traveling again. No bucket. Tagakay to the corner. And Buanga off the glass. Wala. Malto kicks out. Maggay. Naagaw. Crossover. And a pass. And here's Tolentino lumipad. Foul. Malto. And here's Maggay. Cross pass. Maddayaw. Crossover. And Gats Coop is posting up. Corner pass. Maggay drives. Floater shot. Maggay. Gapay. Stops. Pass to the middle. He spins. Pumalik. Fires. Bucket for 2. Natapikan. Stop Tagakay. Pass on din natapikan. Tolentino. Tolentino. It's the bounce pass. Reverse layup. Ilayat. And here's Tagakay. Pass to Cayetano natapikan. And here's Maguddayaw. Oops. And here's number bounce pass. Pass on the inside, Malto. Oop, no basket. And here's Ilayat. Ilayat drives. Nakalusot. Lays. Ilayat. Gapay. Gapay. Spin. Oy! Gapay spins again. Fires off the glass. Gapay. Pass to Taginod. Taginod. And Taginod. Hook pass. And drives. Pass up. Naagaw ni Ilayat. Ilayat. Ilayat all the way for 2. Taginod. Taginod. Bounce pass. Pitch pinabitin. No basket. May foul. Ilayat. 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 Kiss to the corner. Fix. Drives. For 3. Off the mark. Rebound steer Cordero. Side step Cordero. Bucket for 2. Ilayat. Ilayat. Corner pass. Sa 3. End of the game. Congratulations.